Okay guys, in today's video, just wanted to make a quick one on how to take the taillight out of a 2008 through 12 8th generation Honda Accord sedan. Currently I have my back bumper off to get some body work done on the passenger side fender and to replace my rear crush bar that got rusted out. So the rear bumper has to come off for the taillights to come out. Then in underneath there's a support bracket that has two 10mm bolts and a Phillips screw up in there. These are pretty bad rusted. I decided to get stainless steel bolts and a screw there. Also painted my bracket. So that'll have to come out. And then on the outside, that's about it. On the inside, you'll have four 8mm bolts, and that's all that holds it in here. I used a long socket to get down and over the thread. Then you'll take the bulbs out, the brake light, turn signal, and reverse, and then those will pull right out. And there's also a tab right here that attaches to the frame of the car. I don't remember how hard or easy that was to get out, but once you have that off, there is a gasket on the inside of the taillight, and I'm going to show you how to replace that. Okay, this is what behind the taillight looks like when you get it out. I'll be installing my new gasket. I ended up buying OEM, so there's the part number there. I just got it on HondaParts.com. They sell OEM parts right out of Murraysville, Ohio, near the Honda factory in the United States. These gaskets are the same on the right and left side. So all you're going to do is, if you see these little nodes right here, it's going to go in under that. And so you'll just take your finger and go around, and it goes on very nice, easy. And I'll finish up here and I'll show you how to put it back in. This is what the car looks like without the taillight on it. One thing I'd like to mention is the plastic tab right here. There's a molding on the taillight on the long end that fits right in there and stabilizes the taillight. Got the four nuts in there. I would recommend, since it's a new gasket, if you got one, that you evenly tighten the taillight back into place. The new gasket has a lot of give to it, and maybe come back half an hour later and try tightening it again so it's a nice flush fit. There are two spots on the taillight that has to fit up on. Those two tabs go right on the top there. And what I would recommend doing when you get this on there, let me see here, when you get it in place, make sure it's pushed up against. And these can be a little misaligned, but you'll just have to work with it. And then don't forget to put your little screw up on top there. I'd put a little bit of Never-Seez on these bolts, grease, anything, and even if they're stainless steel. Okay, we got the taillight in here. I tightened down the nuts for the taillight evenly so the gasket would sit well. I did it in an X pattern. One thing I wanted to mention about the bottom bracket is that the other one on the right side fit flush, but this one I needed to push up a little bit on it so that it was flush with the taillight, because as you can see, my washer isn't exactly flat. It's a little bit below the bracket. So there's no need to wedge the taillight upwards, but just make sure it's firmly placed. For the one little screw that is up there, these are the sizes of the screw. I got these at Lowe's. This was the most rusted thing in the entire project. Luckily, it didn't strip out with the Phillips screwdriver. But if you want to replace that, I'd recommend it for maybe next time. Another thing I wanted to mention is you'll have to take the trim pieces out in the trunk. Just take out the bottom floor panel, and then take out the sides. Simple clips. They're not too hard to take out. They're rather big when you get them out of there. Other than that, we're good to go here. I would recommend changing the gasket, like I said. Older Hondas are known to have leaking taillight gaskets, especially like my 5th generation Honda Prelude is known to have that problem. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching, and good luck.